Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that has made waves in the drone community, the DJI Air 3S Fly More combo with accessories. We found this impressive drone online and have added the link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes the DJI Air 3S so special. This drone is a powerhouse of innovation designed for both casual users and serious photographers alike. It comes equipped with dual 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video cameras, which include a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 70mm medium telephoto camera. This combination allows for stunning photography and videography, providing up to 14 stops of dynamic range. Whether you're capturing expansive landscapes or detailed portraits, the Air 3S ensures that every shot is packed with vibrant detail. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 3S is its enhanced camera capabilities. The 1-inch primary camera excels in low-light conditions, making it perfect for capturing breathtaking sunsets or nightscapes. Additionally, the free panorama mode is a game-changer for those looking to create seamless panoramic shots. You can choose between wide-angle panoramas for a broader view or medium tele-panoramas for high detail and less distortion. Both options expand your creative possibilities significantly. Another impressive aspect of the Air 3S is its extended flight time and video transmission range. With a maximum flight time of 45 minutes and a video transmission range of up to 20 kilometers, you have ample opportunity to scout locations and capture the perfect shot. This feature is particularly valuable for travel photographers and videographers, allowing you to explore remote areas without the constant worry of battery life. Safety is always a priority when flying drones, and the Air 3S does not disappoint. It boasts forward-facing LiDAR and advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, enabling nighttime flying with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This technology allows the drone to navigate around buildings and other obstacles, providing peace of mind, especially in unfamiliar environments. Coupled with the next-gen Smart Return to Home feature, which intelligently selects the optimal route back to the home point, even in areas with weak GPS signals, you can fly with confidence. So, who is this drone suitable for? The DJI Air 3S is ideal for a wide range of users. Travel photographers will appreciate the high-quality images and extensive range, while content creators will love the cinematic 4K per 60 frames per second capabilities. Hobbyists and professionals alike will find the drone easy to use, thanks to its intuitive controls and comprehensive accessories included in the Fly More combo. Practical use cases for the Air 3S are abundant. Imagine capturing breathtaking footage of your hiking adventures, creating stunning travel vlogs, or even producing high-quality promotional videos for businesses. Its versatility makes it suitable for outdoor activities, real estate photography, and even events, ensuring that you can take your creative projects to the next level. In this Fly More combo, you not only get the DJI Air 3S drone and the DJI RC2 remote controller, but also 3 intelligent flight batteries, a battery charging hub, and an ND filter set to enhance your shooting experience. Plus, the inclusion of a shoulder bag, spare propellers, and a 128GB microSD card means you're fully equipped right out of the box. In conclusion, the DJI Air 3S Fly More combo is a robust and feature-rich drone that caters to both enthusiasts and professionals. Its advanced camera capabilities, impressive flight time, and safety features make it a worthy investment for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography or videography. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget